This is Chris Carter, and today I'm going to show you how I make a sketchbook out of a brown paper shopping bag. I learned how to do this out of The Art of the Fold by Hetty Kyle and Ulla Warkol. My attempt will be to do this without making any measurements, so I don't really know quite how it will turn out, and I will do my best to remember the directions, and we'll see how it goes. First, I'm taking the bag apart and making a long strip out. So I will look for the seam right here. And I will cut off the bottom. Well, didn't turn out the way that I expected, but often things don't. There you go. Not bad.